I figured I'd make a video because I haven't seen a real good video of a automatic pig feeder. So this is just a blue drum. As you can see, I cleaned it. It had some sort of washing fluid in it, but I made a little lid. That's off of that's just a serpentine belt. I sloped the bottom, and then I just framed it up with 2x6s. I made one before and I used 2x4s, and that didn't work really good. The pigs got in there and with their nose they got all the feed out of there. If anything, you put a little board right here to come down to limit the feed that comes out. So that's the new one I made. Make sure to keep it elevated. I got a different one over here that I'll show you guys. But I got a sow that's due in December, and I'm going to need to separate her from the boar. But I'll show you the other one real quick. If I can get in here. The other one works pretty good. Depending on the feed you put in it, if you put like sweet feed or anything with molasses in it, it'll get start clumping up and being a pain in the ass. But if you put some dry feed in there, it works really good. So here's the other one. A little bit of feed there. Probably need to put some more in there by the end of the day today. But as you can see, they eat and the food just comes out. There's not that much of a mess. And there you go. That's the first one I made. The lid's not really needed. This has got it on there for the critters and coons and whatnot. But got a little lock there too. It's off of serpentine belt as well. But that's it, guys. If you need to make a feeder for about 50 bucks, some plywood, some 2x6s you got laying around, you could make you one. Where the pigs at anyways? There they are. Here's a sow you should do in December. There's the boar. He gets a little cranky when you get next to his girlfriend. And this one here is going to be for Thanksgiving. That's pretty much it, guys. Want more videos, give me a holler.